So sorry for that. I actually clicked on not on the right button. So that's why it stopped. So this is actually the part 2 of it. So let's get to the photos and get to my master box. So here's the first one. The first one is a fountain, a St. Patrick fountain looking like this. Very cool. The next one is that. A mountain like that with a river surrounded by clovers. That looks like sunflowers, but still, it looks like St. Patrick. It is very green with the river. Now, next one, a sword. This is a garden. Yes, this looks like a garden from the top, but it has a very good sign. I actually put it here, a clover with windbows and ribbon around to actually fold it up. And the final one is just a chair like that, a simple chair. I know it's okay, but don't worry, guys. I am very, very proud of this chair. Even though it is very small, this is the final one. So, yeah, we finished this video. Comment down below what you think of this video. Share this video with anybody who like this video and subscribe to my channel. And bye guys, see you later, and Ariel from Passion Community signed out. And watch the part 1.